Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and happy. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure subscribe, like, share and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Today's video is the continuation of my previous vlog. In my previous video, you would have seen how we packed and we kept all our things in the pod and sent it, and how pods work also. Hope you all liked it. After that, we had hired some house cleaning services. Here in USA, you have to give back the house just the same way as they give, neat, clean and all, nothing damages should be there. So it is better to call any cleaning services to keep the house neat and clean as it was. You can see how tiny this kitchen is for a big 3-bedroom apartment. This is the tiny kitchen where I do my mighty job. And these are the laddus which my son's friend's mom had made it for us as a travel snack. It was really very tasty. Instantly my kids started eating it as well. I also prepared few nuts laddu, protein laddus at home for traveling. In travel, if you have these kinds of protein laddus and also the besan laddus, you will have a nice fun ride. These laddus will keep you nice full for longer time, so I chose to make these nut or the protein laddus. I am taking all different kinds of nuts. Along with that, I roasted few flax seeds as well. This will make really healthy laddus. I was running out of ghee, otherwise I would have roasted all these nuts in ghee itself. That will add little more extra fat, no worries. And I grinded all the nuts and I am going to use as sweetener. This is dates paste which we get for baking purpose over here. If you don't get this paste, you can just take dates and grind it into fine paste. Now nicely mix all the nuts powder and the dates. You don't need to grind the nuts into fine powder, just it can be coarse also. Mix it with the dates and you don't need any liquid nor any sweetener. Just as it is, it will be very tasty and sweet. You can roll it with your palm and make nice and easy laddus. It's a very healthy recipe. I will just show you another easiest way of making laddus. On a plate, if you roll this way, you will get nice smooth laddus which are very healthy to eat. On the long drive, these laddus will keep you full and will not keep on make you hungry. So I chose to make these laddus. Along with laddus, besan laddu and our protein laddu, I also keep ready some of these nuts along with cranberries or even raisins. You can take anything of your choice, and few chips as well. These all are snacks. In most of our long drives, we will choose to have these type of snacks only. Now we started to load up our car and it's time to go. Both my kids as well as their friends helped in just packing all our stuff. It took really a long time to load everything. We also bought this roof pack which was taking lot of things on top so that we will have enough space in the car. So this is also a very nice option. If you have a rail on your car, this roof pack, very easily you can tie it up and go. Now it's time to say goodbye to Dunwoody, Atlanta, Georgia. It was heartbroken time, very hard time for us. We stayed in this city for a very long time, but still little bit happy that we are going to go to a new destination where we will find more new friends and more new things to see. We will definitely miss our Atlanta. This is the Atlanta traffic. You can see heavy traffic. We will be missing that too. These are the orange candies. Always on long drive, these candies are awesome. We started a little bit late in the afternoon, so our evening stressful ride was because it was fully zero visibility, full of fog and mist as well as rain in between. Just fog, mist and rain was taking turn all through the way, so we had to stop early and just took our break in Kentucky. Next day morning, quickly we had breakfast in Kentucky and then we continued our journey. Again we started our journey towards the north, and you can see in between we sure have a coffee break. If you have Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts both, we choose to go to Dunkin' Donuts only. The coffee is the best. On the way, we just happened to cross Cincinnati skyline. It was the highway was going through the downtown, so we were able to see the beautiful view of the skyline. Now again time to have some more snacks, and these laddus keep us moving very happily, very tasty and yummy. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye to Dunwoody, Georgia, and now finally to USA. We are leaving United States and we are going to Canada. Little bit feeling sad but very much happy that we are going to go to another new country, some new place, and we are going to have lot more different things to see and to experience as well. Hereafter all my vlogs will be from Canada. Keep watching. Bye bye USA, and we are welcome to Canada. After Cincinnati, we entered Detroit. From Detroit only this bridge to Canada starts, and this bridge is nothing but the Ambassador Bridge to Canada. This bridge connects from USA to Canada, from Detroit to Windsor. Watch the video till the end to see how we enter Canada. Now we have reached the Border Security and Immigration Services Center of Canada. You can see so many gates open for many cars and trucks to enter, and here they will give you a ticket, and with that ticket you will have to enter the opposite building where your car will be checked as well as all your immigration papers will be cleared. Here you park the car and enter the immigration office for your clearance. At this point, either you enter Canada or go back to US if you don't get clearance. Now we are entering Canada. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Keep watching for more videos from our new location. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.